Welcome to my channel. There are places in this world where mystery isn't born from fear or danger, but from reverence, where secrecy is not a tool of power, but a gesture of sacred respect. Today, we journey to Japan, to one of the most holy places on earth, a place rebuilt every 20 years, guarded from the public eye, and you are not allowed in. This is the Ise Grand Shrine, or Ise Jingū, the spiritual heart of Japan. Nestled among ancient forests in Mie Prefecture, Ise is more than just a temple. It's a sacred site dedicated to Amaterasu, the Shinto sun goddess, and the mythical ancestor of the Japanese imperial family. The shrine's roots trace back to 4 BCE during the reign of Emperor Suinen, making it a beacon of classical Japanese history and a testament to the enduring power of faith and tradition. What makes this place truly unique isn't just who it honors, but how it is treated. Every 2 decades, the entire shrine complex is torn down and rebuilt from scratch, in exact detail, using traditional techniques and sacred Japanese cypress trees. This tradition, known as Shikinen Sengu, has continued for over 1,300 years. It symbolizes renewal, impermanence, and the cyclical nature of life. While millions of pilgrims visit the outer areas of Ise Shrine each year, the inner sanctuary, the most sacred space, is completely off-limits to the public. Only members of the Japanese imperial family and a few high-ranking Shinto priests are ever allowed inside. There are no photographs of the inner shrine, no detailed maps, no footage of what lies behind the white curtains and wooden fences. So what's inside? That's the beauty and the enigma of Ise. We don't know. Some say it contains a sacred mirror, one of the 3 imperial regalia of Japan. Others believe it's an empty space, symbolic of something deeper, something not meant to be seen, but to be felt. Unlike many tourist attractions, Ise Grand Shrine doesn't advertise itself. There are no guided tours of the inner sanctum, no souvenirs from the sacred core. The structures themselves are simple, humble, and natural, made of wood, thatch, and stone, blending into the forest that surrounds them. And yet, despite its simplicity, or maybe because of it, Ise remains one of the most spiritually significant places in Japan. For centuries, emperors, samurai, and ordinary citizens alike have made the pilgrimage to Ise. During the rebuilding ceremony, thousands of craftspeople and priests come together in a ritual that spans years of preparation, rooted in deep tradition and reverence. It's a reminder that not everything needs to be seen to be understood, that not all sacred things are meant for curious eyes. In a world obsessed with access, content, and exposure, Ise Grand Shrine stands in silence, watching, waiting, repeating. It's not forbidden because it's dangerous. It's forbidden because it's holy. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the most sacred place in Japan. If you're drawn to the stories hidden behind closed gates, where culture, spirit, and mystery still live, subscribe to the channel. There are still many secrets worth protecting, and many more worth exploring.